Roll stop. Oh, you drive like a psychopath. Yes, you do, Mr. Audi driver. 1AS 573. Just for shits and giggles. Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping? Lights are green. That means a go. Let's go. Wander into lanes because Toyota. What the fuck are you doing? It's a myth. An asshole. Yeah, ha-ha. Entitlement that is Toyota. I'm not even going that way. Alright. But then we have this ass ache and the roll stop BMW and this ass ache and the Toyota making his own fucking space. And Hyundai, roll stop. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Is that necessary, Mr. Audi? You is an asshole. You are my nature. What the fuck was that for? And the stop sign. Stop sign. Yeah, that's not stuff. Okay. Go ahead, run the red. How did I know you were going to do that? How the hell did I know? Let's go. Mask off. Oh yeah, nice dive, Toyo turd. Could you get any closer for fuck's sake? Well, I guess you're gonna run the stop sign. I haven't been here in a while. Haven't come this way, but you know. fully stopped. That wasn't really a stop. No. No, that was not a stop. This is a stop. Like that. And... Off my tail, lady. That wasn't my imagination, now was it? Exit time. You fucking idiot! See, this is the proper way to use the lane. Thank you. It's not how you stop at a stop sign, focus. Oh, cool. Somebody needs to reboot the billboard. You roll the stop, FedEx. The Jeep did too. Oh, look at that. I didn't even see that. The boats are out. Stop sign. Howdy. Big pandemic problem, shortage of hugs. Looking at the seconds. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Are you gonna stop? No. Are you gonna stop? No. And stop either. Nope, no stopping. No stopping. Nobody wants to stop today. Because it's a day that ends in Y. Yeah, fuck you. Nice packing job, Nissan. Asshole in the fire lane.
"20 minutes later.
Let's see, how many minutes was it that I went into the store and this fucking scumbag is still parked in the fucking fire lane? Oh, here he comes. Let me cut him off. I bet he doesn't stop at the stop sign either. Like him or that one. No, he rolled it. You want to go? Jesus, douchebag! Direct to the left lane, no blinker, focus. You never know, right? Oh, nice cutoff. Did he just exit dive? Did he just pull the stop? Well, you know, implied stop. Pull the fuck out for the fuck of it, you know. Slow down. You're blocking the intersection. Yellow, red, and he ran. Yeah. Is that a stop? I don't think he stopped. That was definitely not a stop. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Direct to the left lane, Honda. Nope, not quite to the left lane. What the fuck is going on back there? Oh dear, here we go. Just skip, yeah. Moron. Fucking moron. Just squeeze your way in, idiot. You're in the red light. What's diagnostics? Stop. The fucking stop sign. Can you move? Jesus. Why is there a Toyota at the front of this shit? This thing isn't fucking registered. Get it off the road. Douchebag, stop sightseeing, will ya? What? Can't you go blinka to get the fuck out of my way? Thank you. Welcome to where am I? Where we don't stop for stop signs. Stop sign! It's red. You wanted to run it. And the reverse of shame. Oh God, I hope you didn't hit the walk signal. Yeah, we're in the red. Toyota, we're in the red. Yeah, hey, oh, Jesus. That was a little bit close. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 stop signs. Are you gonna see any of them? No! Shut off your fucking high beam, stupid. Thank you. Alright, are you gonna stop? No. Are you gonna stop? No. Are you gonna stop? Okay, we'll see it anyway. Nope. I can tell it. Yep, you didn't stop. Nope. I don't think, it's not supposed to be parking there, or what? Jesus Christ. Pretty goddamn sure you're not supposed to be parked there. Like, on the road. Yeah, no parking anytime. What does that say there? Hi, duck. No parking anytime. No parking anytime. Yeah, there's no parking here. Jesus Christ, dude. Slow down. That wasn't a stop, and this definitely won't be a stop. Nope, it was not a stop. Couldn't see that one come up. There was another roll over there. Let's watch this one. Roll it right. Roll it right. Stop signs. They mean stop, you know. You too, and you too, and... Okay, I'm stopping. You didn't stop. Alright. Are you going to stop behind me? I'm going to watch over here. Because I... Alright, coming. Alright, thank you. Roll the tap. Oh, of course Camry's going to roll it. Not bad, man. Subaru. Yep. What? Stop before you turn, dickhead. Why'd you... What are you doing? What are you doing, stupid? RAV4. The fuck? Oh, God. Yeah, of course. Stop before you turn, Toyota. Ready, ready, ready. Stop before you turn. Stop before you... We have 4 contenders for the stop sign ignoring Olympics. Let's see who's going to medal here. And that was a bronze roll, and that's a silver roll. Another bronze. And a silver. Sorry. There's a cap. I think it was a bronze and a silver again back there. Might even give him a gold in the Jeep. Nothing else to do with my spare time. This whole fucking intersection needs